Hi everybody, it's 107 and 43 seconds on September 4th. This is mini number 2 for Journey into Mystery 112, graded 8.5. Over here on the left are the 20 filled spots. Same as with mini number 1. Whoever comes in first place is going to win the first 5 available spots in the main. Whoever comes in second place will win the next 5 available spots in the main. People that have multiple spots in this mini could come in first and second and win 10 spots. Once this is finished, I'll run the final mini for the final 4 spots and get the main run. So 14 rolls, best of luck, here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and here's the final one. 14. Matt Maring and Jose Hernandez. Congratulations. Matt gets the first 5. Jose gets the next 5. Time is 1:08 and 40.